Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to make a booking for a walk-in patient, existing patient. How to make a booking for a walk-in patient, an existing patient. A walk-in patient does not have to have appointment at the practice. The patient is a walk-in patient, therefore will be marked as arrived when the booking is being made on the electronic diary because the patient is already at the practice. Let's go over how to make a booking for a walk-in patient. From the diary screen, in the top right corner, I'll click on the time slot where the user wishes to slot the patient in. The Add Edit Booking screen will open. Change the booking type to walk-in. For more information on how to set up the setting types, please refer to the Booking Type Setup user manual linked in the video's description. The booking status will automatically change to arrive. Ensure that the following information is correct. The diary is the diary of the practitioner the user is booking the appointment for. The default practitioner will already be filled in. Type in the booking type to indicate what type of booking the appointment is. In such an instance, it will be walk-ins. The status is the status of the booking progress. The location is the location where the appointment will take place, for example rooms or the hospitals or a specific room, for example room 1 or room 5. The date is the date of the appointment. The time is the time of the appointment. Duration is the length of the appointment and may be set up in the web app settings. Every booking type will have its own time and type duration. For more information on where to set up the specific times and their relevant time frames, refer to the Booking Types user manual linked in the video's description. Treating doctor is the practitioner who will treat the patient. The reason is where the user may say why the patient booked the appointment. The referring doctor is the practitioner who has referred to the patient to the treating doctor. Service center, where the appointment will take place, for example rooms or hospitals. CRM is where the user may ask the patient how did they hear about the practice and select the applicable answer from the drop-down. Select the correct data in the data search field. Click on the desired patient. The data details will appear. Please note, the user needs to ensure that the information is correct. If the user wishes to exit without saving, click on the Close button. Or, if the user wishes to save the booking, click on the Save button. The walk-in patient booking will appear on the diary screen.